Hello everyone. Today we are going to start a very important chapter, that is profit and loss. Okay, so let's see the question on profit and loss chapter. Okay, this is the next question. Rajesh sold two horses for 990 each, gaining 10% on first horse and losing 10% on another. Find his total gain or loss. Okay, so there is a simple formula. Whenever there is gain or loss, directly remember this. Very simple formula. Whenever in compound interest also I am going to explain this formula, and here also I am telling you, if suppose he tell you 5% profit, so A will be profit, B is 2% loss, so you minus 2. So this how you need to remember this formula. Very simple thing. Now you can apply it. A assume whatever they told, profit or loss. B also assume whatever they told, and A into B by 100. Very simple. Anyone can apply this. So A is 10% gain, so plus 10. B is 10% loss, minus 10, plus A into B. So 10 into minus 10. So this comes out to be what? Minus plus what comes out to be? Minus. This cancel out. This comes out to be minus 1. So how much he is losing? He is losing 1%. Loss 1%. Very simple. Let's move towards next question. If the cost price is 20% of the selling price, then find the profit percentage. Okay, very simple again. Cost price is 20% of selling price. This they told you. So you can find out now. CP upon SP, you can take this SP down, equal to 100 by 20. Okay, 100 by 20. This 100 will go up and this will go down. So he invested 100 rupees from his pocket, and he is getting how much in return? 20. So how much he is losing? 80 rupees he is losing. And how much he invested from his pocket? 100 rupees. So what will be this? This will be 80% loss. Okay, this will be 80% loss. 20% of cost price is equal to selling price. Okay, very simple. Next question. The selling price of 21 article is equal to the selling price of cost price of 21 article is equal to the selling price of 18 article. Find the gain percentage. So 21 cost price equal to SP of 18 means 18 SP. Okay, so now you can divide this CP upon SP. So how much? 18 by 21 means this you can cut, right? This comes out to be 6 by 7. So he is investing 6 rupees from his pocket and he is gaining 7 rupees. So how much he is gaining? 1 rupees he is gaining. And how much he invested from his pocket? 6 rupees he invested. So 1 by 6 when you do, you will get the answer. So this fraction you can get simply 16.67%. Okay, very simple question again. Okay, now see this question. If the cost price of 12 article is equal to this, if the selling price of 12 article is equal to the cost price of 10 article, means 12 SP. First try to solve it by your own. Pause the video, solve it by your own, then see the solution. Okay, this is told to you, cost price of 10 article, right? So you can simply do SP upon CP equal to 10 by 12, right? So 5 by 6. So he is investing 6 rupees and what he is gaining 5 rupees. So 1 rupees he is losing, or loss he is inculcating by investing 6 rupees. So this comes out to be 16.67. But what this time? It is lost this time. Okay, simple. Let's move towards next question. A man gained 20% by selling an article for a certain price. If he sell it at the double price, the profit percentage is. Again, very simple question. Suppose 100 rupees is the price of article. A man sold it at 20% profit, means 120 rupees he is selling it, right? And the article, for if he sell it at the double price, okay, by selling an article for certain price, if he sell it at the double price, the percentage profit. So double of this. So how much? 240. So how much he is selling now? He invested 100 rupees and now he is getting 240 rupees, right? Double means into 2. So 240 he is getting, 100 rupees he invested. So how much he is getting? 140 rupees he is getting, and how much he invested from his pocket? 100. So this you can come out to be 7 by 5. Now you have to convert it in percentage. So you can simply do this. So after this, 140% means 140% profit he is gaining by selling it double the price of the 20% gain. Okay, simple. Thank you.